Alright guys, I got them installed. Honestly, I got them installed. But when I went to check them, they do not work. So with that being said, they're installed. They're on the car. I went ahead and put everything back on. Except for the bumper. Y'all, I washed my car and I got it dirty. And I'm not happy about that. But it's okay. I'll get it cleaned off again. But I think I'm gonna have to order some more lights or something to that extent, because the simple fact is it's not working. I put my hazards on, I did this, I did that, I tested the lights before. I think I wound up pulling the wires somewhere to a certain extent. I don't know. I'll have to go back and redo it and relook at it. Maybe I'll have to order some more lights, but I'm not going to give up on this video. So this video will continue once I get new lights. After further diagnosing, this is the next day. 2 days ago, this is 2 days after I did this video, this clip. So after doing a little bit of diagnostics, red wire, I don't know if you can see this, red wire, black wire. Black wire means negative, red means positive, right? Now, everything is switched on these lights. It's supposed to be white is the negative and black is the positive. So I got all excited and did that, and like now my turn signal works. Now I got to go back and rewire everything and get everything done. I will show you that here in just a second, but I just want to let you know something I should have done to let you know that should be done before installing everything and thinking things don't work. I thought I was going to have to order some more. So make sure you check and see which one's the negative, which one's the positive before installing the lights. I was in a hurry that night when I installed them, so therefore that's the reason why they are how they are, and I got to go back and redo certain things and get everything tightened, and yeah. So I just want to do a recap of this video right here, let you guys know I did figure it out, and I will show you, like I said just like a couple minutes ago, that they work. I want them to do both, but I don't know if it's going to work. I want them to stay on and turn at the same time. There are certain vehicles that do both, and certain ones that don't. I want to figure out how to get them to do both. It stays on and turn at the same time because it's effective. Like, if I'm not mistaken, the light comes on and then it turns as well. So I got to figure out how to get it to stay on and turn at the same time. So I'll probably have to link it to both of them, as long as it doesn't mess up anything, and get it to go to that, so to work. So I'm going to pause here real quick, and then I'll resume after I get everything wired back up and show you the light. Welcome back. This is the second part of the, should I say, turn signals. If you watch my Instagram, you know what happened and certain things that went on and what I had to do. Maybe I'll post a clip of it right here somewhere. So I want to go ahead and let you guys know they work. I got them to work, and it is right now working. I got them on. I was going to show you guys what I got them turned on and make sure everything is copacetic. So therefore, let's go ahead and show you. Look at that. Boom. Gonna walk around. Look at that. Boom. They work. Got them to work. I just got them on the hazards right now, just to see if they work to my likings. I was thinking about going ahead and having it where it lit up and stayed lit up, and then once I turn or something, it flickered or whatever may be the case. But I like it better this way because since like this, if I don't have them lit up all the way, it doesn't look like they're there. They look like this looks like it's part of the car until the lights are on. I'll go ahead and show you that real quick while I turn these off the hazards. I think it's like kind of cool that you can do that. Like maybe you can see it, but you can't. It almost just looks like it's part of the car, especially at nighttime. It looks like it's just part of the car. I don't know if you can see it, but at nighttime it really looks like totally looks like it's part of the car because of the color I picked. I think I picked the right color. But I'm going to say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. And guys, we'll see you totally on the next one, and hopefully real soon. And if this video doesn't get out before the new year, I just want to say Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and all that good stuff. And we'll start the new year off fresh. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys.
Drake Beats.